Okay, this video is going to talk about how to use the auto leveling system. It's important to note that this is one of the first things you need to do when you get to camp. You have to do this before you do any of the slide push outs and before you hook up any of the water and sewer. So when you come over to this panel in the cockpit, if you turn the power on, it's going to start beeping at you because you don't have the parking brake engaged and the ignition is on. So in order to use this system, you have to turn the ignition off and you have to engage the parking brake. Once you've done that, it's as simple as pushing this auto leveling button and it'll start to beep at you and you'll hear the jacks going up and down all around the RV. It will take a few minutes. It'll make some adjustments. It uses its own gyroscope and it makes all the adjustments. And then when it's done, the beeping will stop. And when you're done and ready to go home, you're gonna hit the extract all button and it essentially does everything in reverse. And then once it's all done, you're gonna hit the power and turn it off. If you start the auto leveling process and you wanna stop it, you just push the button again, it'll stop and you can retract it. So if you got like halfway and realized that you wanted to move the vehicle, you can stop it halfway, retract them all, move the RV, and then just do it all over again. So these are individual adjustments, but if you use the auto feature, you don't need to mess with these. But if there's some special circumstance you need to use these individual buttons, you can. And it will also tell you if the incline is too great for the auto leveling to work. So most of the time you're going to be in a fairly flat area, but this will warn you that it's too steep if you're trying to do it on a too significant of an incline. Okay, so now you can see that the beeping has stopped. All four lights for the four posts are solid and there's no beeping. So now everything is done. We can just turn the power off so nobody bumps it and accidentally reverses the jacks when you don't want them to.